guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these gold burst nail foils. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Before I get started on my manicure, I've already got my foils cut out, and I'm going to go ahead and clean off the backs of them with a little bit of alcohol. So I've just got a Q-tip, and I'm going to swipe it over the back. You can see it kind of brings out more of the hollow, and I've found that it makes it easier for it to transfer. I had heard about this a lot, but this is the first time I'm trying it, and I think it's going to be worthwhile. Starting off with clean, dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Madame Glam's peel-off base coat, and you can use whichever you prefer. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Pink Gellac Beautiful Black. I'm going to be curing in between each coat, so I'll probably need about 2. And once I have those applied, I'm going to be applying a coat of my Miss Cheering Gel Nail Foil Adhesive, which also needs a cure. Once your adhesive has cured, you can go ahead and apply your foils. I'm going to try and kind of line up and stick mine on with my thumb. Give it a good firm press, and then go in and finish buffing it down with a Q-tip, paying special attention around the edges and at the tip of my nail. If you have any small areas where the foil didn't stick, you can go ahead and give it another little press and try to fill in any blank spots. Then go ahead and repeat that for all your nails. Once you've applied all of your foil, you can go ahead and finish with a top coat. I'm using Pink Gellac Ultra Shine, and then I'll be curing that as well. So here's the finished design, and overall I'm pretty pleased with how these turned out. The perfectionist in me is looking at every little flaw in the foil transfer and every little problem, but the realist in me is telling me to take a look at these from arm's length and just accept the fact that they're awesome as they are. I did run into quite a few problems once again while doing this, and if you'd like to see those and how I dealt with them, the live stream archive will be up in the next day or so. If you'd like to see any future fails live, feel free to follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments, and if you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a like. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.